Find the area of this triangle. We have a triangle of side 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Find the area. Now we're not just going to be using a regular A equals RBH. We're going to be using the Hero's formula. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics. Please support this channel by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and please share to the people you think might need it. Thank you very much. So without more talking, let's go into the video. Let's go into the solving. So solutions. So we want to use Hero's formula, which says square root of the Hero's formula, which says square root of s bracket s minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c. This is the formula we're going to be using. So what is s in the first place? S is equals a plus b plus c over 2. A plus b plus c are just the sides of the triangle. So a equals 8 plus b equals 6, c equals 10 over 2. 8 plus 6 plus 10 equals 24 over 2, which gives us 12 centimeter. So we go into this Hero's formula, square root. We have our s first, 12 bracket s minus a, 12 minus 8 bracket 12 minus 6 bracket 12 minus 10. So square root 12 bracket 12 minus 8 gives us 4 bracket 12 minus 6 gives us 6, 12 minus 10 gives us 2. So 4 times 6, that's 24. 24 times 2, that's 48. Now 48 times 12, 48 times 12. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. 6. This is 17, 5. So square root of 576, and the square root of 576 is 24. So the area, it is 24 centimeters square. Thank you very much for staying till this time. Please subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to share it to those people who you think might need it. Bye. See you in our next video.